Alright, Tesla fam, let's get straight to it, guys. Today I'm going to show you how to set up the automatic climate preconditioning in Tesla, guys, okay? So, first things first, guys, if you want to turn this on, right, what you need to do is first hop onto your Tesla and tap on the climate icon at the bottom of your touchscreen. This will take you to the climate control settings, guys, okay? Now, once you're in the climate menu, look for the turn on climate option. You want to enable this feature to allow for climate preconditioning, guys, okay? This will let your Tesla adjust the interior temperature before you even get in. Now, guys, you can just tap on the schedule departure option. Here you can set specific times for when you want the climate preconditioning to start. Just select the days and times that fit your schedule, guys. And after setting the schedule, you can also adjust your desired cabin temperature, okay? You can set up your desired cabin temperature. Make sure to set it to your comfort level so you stepping into a cozy car, you know? And if you want to adjust these settings on the go, don't forget you can also use the Tesla app, guys. Just open the app and navigate to the climate section to make changes from anywhere, guys. Now that everything is set up, guys, it's time to test it out. Wait for your scheduled time and see if your Tesla preconditions the climate as planned. And there you go, guys. You have successfully set up the automatic preconditioning in your Tesla, ensuring you always step into a comfortable ride, guys. And that's it, guys. For more helpful tips on maximizing your Tesla experience, hit that link in the description to find out ways to upgrade your ride even further. Make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you